Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Ford F-450 2000 to 2003? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2000 and 2001 Ford F-450 manages interior electrical components like the radio, interior lights, power mirrors, and door locks. It includes a range of fuses and relays to safeguard these circuits from overload or short circuits. The setup is organized for straightforward identification and maintenance. It helps ensure reliable function of in-cab systems. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2002 and 2003 Ford F-450 controls various interior functions such as power windows, door locks, dashboard electronics, and lighting systems. It contains standard fuses and relays that protect low-voltage circuits from overload. The fuse layout is clearly labeled for easy access and servicing. It ensures dependable operation of key cabin features. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2000 and 2001 Ford F-450 provides power distribution and protection for critical engine and chassis systems, including the glow plugs, fuel system, and trailer tow circuits. It houses high-capacity fuses and relays to handle heavy electrical loads. The configuration ensures reliable performance under demanding conditions. It also aids in quick diagnostics and maintenance. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2011 glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, 250 SFE fuse. Circuits such as the PCM, fuel pump, cooling fan, and ceramic fuse. Bosch fuse is cartridge and DIN fuse, along with relays for efficient circuit protection. The box is designed for optimized thermal performance and PAL fuse, low-profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.